Hi, this is Sarah Bickers from Free Your Space. My top tip for you today is to have a think about decluttering with your children. People are always surprised to know that children can start decluttering from the age of about 2 onwards, as soon as they're really able to communicate clearly with you. Decluttering is just about decision making. It's a life skill and it's something that it's never too early to start with. So just have a box of stuff that's ready to go. Get your child to toss things into the box that they're ready to say goodbye to. If they want to say a proper goodbye, they can do, but in my experience, often they're just ready to toss the toy. So have a go at that. And my final tip for you is that once the child's made a decision, don't try and persuade them out of it. If they decide to let go of a teddy that is particularly precious to you, then once it's gone, you can rescue it and pop it back away somewhere safe for you. But please don't try and talk them out of it, because it's part of their decision-making skills and it's really important to reinforce success. So good luck with your toy decluttering. It's coming up to Christmas, but you might have a birthday coming up, so it's always a good time to talk to them about clearing some space for new things and to make room for some experiences as well. Enjoy decluttering with your child. Bye!